Hey everyone, so if you're applying for jobs in the USA and want to build a professional resume using Zety, yeah, the format is a bit different from other countries. I'll show you step by step how to make a US style resume using Zety. First, open Zety and choose a clean professional template. For USA jobs, go for simple designs with clear sections, no fancy graphics or heavy colors. Now add your contact details at the top. Include your full name, phone number, email, and optionally your LinkedIn profile. Next, write a short professional summary. This should be 2 to 3 lines explaining your skills and experience in a clear way. Now add your work experience in reverse order, your latest job first. Include job title, company name, dates, and bullet points with achievements. Next, add your education details like school name, degree, and graduation year. In USA resumes, this section is usually short and simple. Now add relevant skills, focus on job-related skills like communication, software tools, or technical abilities. Make sure you don't include things like your photo, age, religion, or marital status. In the USA, resumes are clean and professional. Finally, review everything carefully and download your resume as a PDF. This is the standard format for job applications in the USA, and that's it. Now you know how to create a professional USA-style resume using Zety step by step.